Hello everyone, this is Nawara Rayariani. How's life? I hope everything is going well for you. This time I will explain about personal letter. What is personal letters? Personal letters are letters you write to people you have already known well or been familiar with, such as family members, friends, classmates, or pen friends. Jadi, personal letters adalah surat yang kita kirim untuk orang-orang yang kita kenal atau orang-orang yang familiar dengan kita, seperti anggota keluarga, teman sekelas, atau sahabat pena. Do you know purpose of personal letter? The purpose of personal letter are first, to tell good news or bad news, untuk memberitahu kabar baik atau kabar buruk. Second, to tell about experience or activities, untuk memberitahu pengalaman atau sebuah aktivitas. Third, apologizing or giving advice, meminta maaf atau menasehati. And the last one is asking for help, atau meminta bantuan. The types of personal letters: family letters, pen friends letters, fan mails, celebration letters, farewell letters, get well letters, congratulation letters, and love letters. Sekarang kita akan melihat satu-satu jenis surat pribadi. Family letters, written to a family member to share recent news, atau ditulis untuk anggota keluarga yang bertujuan untuk memberi berita terbaru. Pen friends letter, written to pen friends, ditulis untuk sahabat pena. Fan mails, written to someone you idolize or admire, ditulis untuk orang yang kamu suka atau kamu idolakan. Celebration letter, written to acknowledge a happy or significant day or event, ditulis untuk mengakui sebuah kebahagiaan, hari atau acara penting. Farewell letters, written to say goodbye to someone who is moving interstate, overseas, or changing school, ditulis untuk mengucapkan selamat tinggal kepada seseorang yang pindah negara, pindah pulau, atau pindah sekolah. Get well letter, written to wish someone a speedy recovery from illness, ditulis untuk mengharapkan seseorang agar cepat pulih dari sakitnya. Congratulation letter, written to congratulate another person for a notable achievement, ditulis untuk mengucapkan selamat kepada seseorang atas pencapaiannya atau keberhasilannya. And love letter, written to someone that you are having a romantic relationship, ditulis untuk mengekspresikan perasaan kepada orang yang kita cintai. Now, let's see the structure of personal letter. First, address, alamat pengirim. Second, date, tanggal penulisan surat. Third, salutation and name, salam dan nama penerima. Body of letter atau isi surat. After that, closing atau penutup. Then, complimentary close, salam penutup. And the last one, signature. Sekarang kita bahas satu-satu bagian surat pribadi. Heading, it is written in the upper right or left hand corner of the page. Bagian kepala surat. Bagian ini ditulis di bagian kanan atau kiri atas surat. The heading contains first the address of the sender or the person writes the letter. Second, the date when the senders write the letter. Kepala surat berisi alamat pengirim dan tanggal saat surat dibuat. Salutation or greeting, it is written in left hand corner. You can begin with the word dear, hi, hello, then follow it with first name of recipient and end it with comma. Salam pembuka ditulis di sudut kiri surat, diikuti dengan penerima nama surat dan dihubungi dengan tanda koma di akhir kata atau kalimat. Introduction atau bagian pembukaan surat. Bagian ini adalah sapaan pembuka atau tanggapan pada surat sebelumnya. Kalian dapat menulisnya seperti how are you, Hope this letter found you. Thank you for your last letter. It was so good to hear from you. I am sorry I should have written earlier. Haven't heard from you in a while, so I thought. Body of letter. You can begin with telling your experience and tell your reason of writing the letter in the first paragraph. Your second paragraph is your message. Kalian bisa memulainya dengan menceritakan pengalaman atau kegiatan kalian. Pada paragraf pertama, berisi tentang alasan kalian mengirim surat. Paragraf kedua berisi tujuan atau pesan surat. Then you can end the letter with clear ending stating what you expect and your feeling. Kemudian, pada paragraf terakhir kalian dapat menuliskan harapan dan perasaan pada si penerima surat. Conclusion. Pada bagian kesimpulan surat, kalian dapat menulisnya dengan I am looking forward to seeing you soon. I am waiting for a quick reply. My best wishes for the coming test. Bye. I wish write soon. I am looking forward to hear from you soon. I will have to stop now and see you. Complimentary clause. Your clause can be written as follow. Your friends, your truly, yours, lovelying, with love, it is followed by comma. Pada bagian penutup surat, kalian semua dapat menuliskannya seperti kalimat tadi dan disertai tanda koma. That's all I can say. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.